How to share your Instagram post on my story in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you can choose any of the photo that you want to share to your story. Then what you have to do is you have to when you choose any of the photo, then what you have to do is you have to go to the post, and then you have to click on the send button, and then you have to click on the add post to your story, and then you can change the uh, size of the your post, and then as you can see you can place it anywhere. You can by holding your two fingers, so that you can see the I hold I, and then you this post to this place, and then you can also add text to uh, this post, and you can also change the background of the color by long holding on this post, so that you can see that so and you can also draw something like this, so that so and then you can when you do all the things that you want, then you can click on the done, and then you can click on the send to, and then you have to click on the your story, and then you have to click on the done, and now your post this post is added to your story. As you can see, I go to my story, and here you can see the post is added to my story. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.